Hi everyone, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you a Kate Spade. We actually have a couple of Kate Spades for you. So we've got the crossbody here, and then we've also got Kate Spade purse as well. So I'll start off by showing you this crossbody. Sorry. So we have a flat closure, and then we've also got this long strap at the top. And this long strap is adjustable as well, so we've got it on the shortest setting at the minute. So this flap closure has magnetic fasten, so I'll open that up and show you insides. Inside's nice and simple, there's just one flap pocket there, and then the rest is just one main compartment. The purse, I'll show you this purse. So again, we've got flap closure, and that's got press stud fasten. At the back we've got one flat section, and we've got one little zip section there, and the central section has 8 card slots in it. In front of there we've got another little flat pocket, flat section, and then at the front one last section with 4 card slots in there. I'll start off by showing you the condition of the crossbody. So for the condition of the crossbody, we've called the exterior good. As you can see, overall, it still looks really beautiful. The reason we've called it good, you can see there's just a little bit of a mark there for maybe makeup or something, and it's just kind of got that sparkly residue on it, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but that's why I've called it good. And I'll show you these corners. Overall, they look in really nice condition, but there is just minor signs of wear. When I say minor, they're really slight. You wouldn't notice them unless you're really looking up close. You can see it's just a very slight sign of wear there, but the base still looks very nice as well. Interior we've called very good. I'll show you again. That nice bright pink interior is very cool, but there is not really any marks for me to show you in there, anything in particular. It's just a case that you can tell it's been pre-loved. There's maybe a little bit of creasing there where it's been open and closed, but other than that, still in very nice condition. The hardware we've called good. I'll show you, it's mostly for this little Kate Spade plaque here. I'm not sure whether you'll be able to see that on the camera. There we go. You can see there's just a few hairline scratches here and there, but it's still got that lovely gold colour. That is the reason that we've called it good. The purse, we've called the exterior very good. You can see that pink leather is all really nice. There's no marks or anything in particular for me to show you. And those trims as well along the side, they're still in really nice condition as well. The interior and the hardware we've called good. The interior, I'll show you again. You can see there's just a few minor little marks here and there, and perhaps a few little scratches, but very minor. You can see just on there, there's a couple of very small marks in there, but other than that, it's still in very nice condition. The hardware, again, it's mostly this little plaque here, just with a few hairline scratches on it, so that is the reason that we've called it good. While you're here, don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any gorgeous bags and purses and wallets like this that we have to show you. So for the exact measurements of the crossbody and of the purse, you'll find them if you go to the link in the description below. That link should hopefully take you directly to this Kate Spade. If it doesn't, and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. However, we do have a request list, so whatever bag it may be, it could be this one or it could be anything else that you have in mind, let us know. Send us over an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know what you love and we'll get you on our request list for that. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So with this buckle, again, we've got that on the shortest setting there. If it's any help, I'm size UK 10 and 5'4". So over the shoulder, that's what it sits like on me. Or we've also It's a crossbody, so you can have it over your body like that, and it sits at quite a nice height there on me. I like it. And then of course we've got the purse as well, and it's quite a nice, it's not too small, this purse, and can definitely fit a lot into it. So there we go, we've got the purse as well. So for more details on this bag and this purse, go to the link in the description below. While you're on our website, don't forget to have a browse through and sign up to our newsletter as well. If you sign up to our newsletter, we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell with Us page. So if you have any bags you'd like to sell with Armcandy Bag Co, get onto that page and you'll find all the details you need to know. And that's all I have for you, so I'll see you later with some more Armcandy.